Real Vision, Zain and
Hi,
Nidhi.
thank you.
Today we are doing a segment for Arab fans, and especially it has been done for the Arabian fans. You have a worldwide fans, but today I came to know you have a greatest fan following in Arab.
Wow, that's sweet.
Yeah, let's start with the segment.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the flowers which been sent by Hanan and Samira.
Okay. First,
From Samira.
from Samira. Thank you, Samira. Ya bole shukran.
Shukran, Samira. Shukran.
So,
And,
ये fashion? Wow. Thank
What's
you.
that? Assalamu alaikum. Kaifa halakum. I think we have other things as well from Arab fans. I think it's for Adiza Arab fans. From Samira, who is from Algeria. Hanan from Sweden. Safa, Nada, Malak, Zainab, Mariam, Ibtihaj, Dunya, Yasmin, Parishan. Loads of love, Adiza, Zain and Alpi. Thank you,
Thank you.
everybody. And we've received some things over here. Here, Ritika, Aditi, just take it for you. We love you, Adiza. We love you too, Arab fans.
Okay, इसमें लिखा क्या है? लिखा क्या है? तेरे को पता है?
Yeah.
Okay, मैं समझूंगी इसमें क्या लिखा है, but thank you for this. बहुत ही प्यारा है.
नहीं आती हिंदी में Arab fans. Zain, it says Zain, Aditi, Adiza. Zain, Aditi, Adiza. Adiza, Zine, I'm Zain, I'm not Zine. Aditi, Algeria. Okay, loads of things together here. Arab fan Zain from Pfizer. When Neil comes back, police officer character, we all love that one. Thank you so much. From Aditya for both. You did not take any off or absent. Oh, you did not take any off or absent in shooting. If anyone absent, did you feel something missing? Aditi, what is the one thing makes you laugh no matter what?
These are the questions.
Oh,
अच्छा, these are questions for us.
yeah. What is the one thing that makes you laugh no matter what?
This is a question for Aditi.
I see funny visuals. So, जब भी there's something, if I'll imagine something and then I'll laugh. So, it's maybe good idea.
Never mind. For both, how do you feel? You have lots of fans around the world. Arab, you have biggest fan following. What is the reason? So much of love. I think because Arab fans love us more than people around the world. Maybe that's the reason. No, actually, we have fans all around the world. But I think you guys are sweet enough to watch Namkaran, and thank you so much for being our fan. And there's a lot of things. These are from Morocco, Donia, Jordan, Yasmin, Algeria, Radia, Egypt, Mena, Nohan, my Egypt. Hello, we are one of the Arab fans of the series Namkaran. Zain and Aditi, we love you so much, and we love your smile and eyes. We are very impressed by your wonderful performance. Zain and Aditi, we have a special thanks to you because our love to you 6 hearts from around the world. Okay, thank you. Signed by Arab fans Dina, Yasmin, Radia, Mai, Nurhan, Hena. Thank you so much, guys, for this lovely words. Last question, Zain. You worked with many actresses. If you have to choose among 4 actresses, one with whom you like first to work with for next show. Do subscribe. YouTube. Message for our fans. Real Vision Online News.
Answer.
Answer ये है कि यार I don't know. I mean, all my co-stars have been sweet enough, and as I really can't pinpoint one actress as of now, but they're all sweet, and whoever I've worked with, I have a cordial relationship with them, and they've been sweet and very. They've actually maintained a good relationship with ourselves together, and they are my friends still. So yeah. Okay. Congratulations, 1 year completion in Namkaran. Avni Aliza, love is an honest feeling that cannot be bought or sold. feeling that we fed in our heart for people that truly earn and deserve it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. These are some things over here. See? Lovely. Great little things over here. Zainima Madati Rathore, Arab fans again. I think, oh, these things. I can see a hand here. Yo. So yeah, I think you guys are amazing Arab fans. Yeah. I think there is one more thing that I would wanna say to you. We've got the translation right, so let me just speak and Aditi will just follow. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Kaifa halukum.
Kaifa halukum.
Nahanan nohibukum. Jamia shukran lakum.
क्या मीनिंग है इसका?
Nahan nohibukum.
नहीं बुकुम.
Jamia
जमिया
shukran
शुक्रन
lakum.
लगोम.
Shukran li hobikum.
शुक्रान ली होबिकुम.
Wataj jikum lana.
वदाश ताश जीकुम लाना.
Istamiro
इस्तामीरो
fi mutabat
फी मुताबिक
musalsal
मुसलसल
namkaran
नामकरण
ala kanat Star Plus.
अला करात स्टार प्लस.
Wow! I think I will now have to learn Arabic, and it's a beautiful language. Though I know how to read Arabic because I've read Quran, but I really cannot understand Arabic वैसे otherwise. So yeah, thank you. It's a beautiful language. I follow my religion well, and thank you for being our fan, Arab fans. Much love to you guys. Best of luck, and yeah,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Thank you.